Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like manage image, labeling, or transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on your side. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Remotasks. First of all you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Remotasks. Then you click over the first one, and then you have to sign up by adding your email address and your password. Then you get started with Remotasks, and here we have my account. And first, let's know what is Remotasks. Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn by completing simple tasks such as email annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After signing up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So all I have to do after signing up for Remotasks, you have just to start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. The training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image labeling or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. So you can work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for your new tasks and start earning. Alright, so here we have this page. As you can see, to get started, all I have to do is just first let you know more about this platform. Then you have to search about how you can earn money from that. First, we have here in the home page, as you can see, earn more with remote tasks alerts. So let's just click over learn more, and you'll find at the page, which is this one. As you can see, we have firstly what is Remotasks, this tires program. Then we have what is the benefits, and then if we scroll down, we'll find also here, well, how do I join the program. So we have to join each one of the Remotasks tires. You will need to earn a certain amount of remote points in a period of time the quality. Then we have also here those steps that you have to follow, and here we have a specific examples. Here we have standard tire, preferred tire to L tire. Then we have also here how do I earn remote points, how does XP work. So the first new concept we want to introduce is experience points XP. So XP is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. Every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. So we have here a point. Each week you will have an XP goal, and if you meet it, you will be able to earn remote points. Then we have standard taskers will be able to earn one remote point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week. Right, so we have also the steps that you have to follow. Elite taskers will have access to weekly bonuses, and here we have examples as you can see. And then we have also how do I track my progress. I have here the information how you can track your progress. Then we have here how does MTQ support work, how does support priorities work, how does the faster reviews work, and then we have the bonus. Here we have a lot higher taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. The amount of bonus will depend on the total XP they accumulate each week. So this is how you can earn money from this platform. You can just get started by using these options. For example, we have here the dashboard. As you can see about the dashboard, we have also here one button in the top right, which is start tasking. So once you click over start tasking, you'll find here your task queue is currently empty, and you have here large volumes of user requests can sometimes cause this. Please try refreshing, and if on the back to the dashboard, you click over here, and also we have here other options as you can see. So we have here your payment, and we have here your account, help center, and then we have here remote task style progress tracker. You have just to get started right now, and here we have how you can get started with this one. You have just to use this one, and here we have the XP. Once you achieve the limit of XP, you will earn money from there. All right, so right now let's just discover other platforms or other options that we have in the top, which is task log. Firstly, so here you have the task log is a summary of all the work you have done and how much you can expect to get paid for it. Then we have here you can expect to be paid on Wednesday on at the end of the pay cycle. And then we have here overall this is everything you have ever done on the platform. Going to pay cycle, we have your session and task log. Then we have here also balance. About this one we have here see how you have been performing recently and what you can do to be a better tasker on remote tasks. Then we have also here remote tasks tires, right? So we have also here other things, remote task tires, and also we have other things here as you can see. So we have here also important, and we have also here other things like as you can see, we have here importing center, we have a browse project, we have image segmentation, data collection, we have content language, and we have several things. You have just to click over here, sign up, and you get started with this one by adding remote task email, full legal name, personal email, WhatsApp contact, PayPal email, country. Then we have pick the type the best fit your schedule. Then we have computer, select RAM, select video, and we have internet speed, and then you click over register once you're done. Alright, so this is for this one which is onboarding Hunter, and that's it for this one. Also we have here missions as you can see. About this one you have just to complete the missions. Here we have important information. Missions are with an additional reward for completed work. Missions are paid at once. All milestones are completed or once the mission expires. Task availability for missions is subject to customer demand, and having a mission does not guarantee work to complete it. Then we have here progress on hours based missions including hub staff and data compute hours may take up to 48 hours to update. Then we have also here feedback as you can see, and we have also here support if you want more information on this platform. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So Remotasks is a flexible and straightforward way to earn money by completing simple online tasks. After completing your training, you can work at your own pace and choose tasks that fit your skills. With consistent work, you can increase your earnings and unlock more opportunities, making it a great option for side income. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. By following the steps of and using these options, you can success with this platform which is Remotasks. You have just to sign up by following the steps. Open browser, type in Remotasks, click over the first one, and you'll find here this page. You have to sign up by adding your email address and your password. Then you'll find this page and you start earning money from Remotasks by doing the missions, and also here clicking over onboarding and you get started, or you can just here get more XP and you start earn money with Remotasks LX. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. See you again in the next video.